Pro version. I'll leave a link to Elementor Pro in the video description. With that said, let's get started. So first, let's talk about pop-ups. Now we're going to cover pop-ups first, and then we're going to talk about the actual theme builder. And you'll understand why we're doing pop-ups first, because then we can apply it on the menu in the actual header theme builder. So let's go over here to appearance, and then we're going to see pop-ups. Now I definitely recommend pop-ups over the off canvas menu. The off canvas menu came out way earlier, and then the pop-ups came out. And pop-ups, you can actually save them to a library and apply them to various parts of the website. With the off canvas menu, you can't do that because it doesn't save it as a library. So right here, I'll click on add new pop-up. Now here you'll see that we have a bunch of different, this is technically the theme builder, but it's just, creating pop-ups. And this is going to be main pop-up. Okay. And then I'll click on create templates. Okay. So to get started with, I'm going to enter in something really simple. Now I'm going to scroll down right here and just insert this pop-up right here. So I'll click on insert. And this is our current pop-up. Now what you can do here